So in this video, I want to show you how quick and easy it is to customize the start menu layout. First, it's worth noting that this only works in Windows 10 Enterprise and Education. So this is any area of personalization, so that includes desktop, background, lock screen, and various other areas. So first thing we need is a machine which we're going to build out how we want our start menu to look. So we're going to install our applications, drag icons around and arrange them how we like before we then export that configuration. So I'm going to put that there. I'm going to take this Notepad++ off because I don't have that on my destination machines. So once you're happy with the layout of your start menu, we need to export that as an XML file. So the command we use is export PowerShell command. It doesn't need to be admin rights. I'm going to export it as layout. So I'll just bring that up in bigger font for you. So this is the command you would need to run. You can rename the XML file if you want. So that's going to create this layout file. It's the content, so we can see the items that we have in our start menu there showing up. That's calculator, edge, sticky notes, mail, calendar. So we need to know how to deploy that out to our fleet of machines. So I'm going to create a profile. Just call it start menu. Of course, you can call it anything you like. Assign it to my OG. We're going to personalization, configure, start menu layout. Little tip: you can just drag your items straight onto the button. So go into browse. That works in various different places in the console. So I'll just flick over to my machine here. So this is an enrolled vanilla machine, standard menu. Depending on where you've got your build from, you could have all sorts of other stuff, bloatware, etc. in this menu. So I'm just going to do save and publish. Publish. Okay, it's installed. So there we go. There's my work applications. So the name comes from the group that we built on the previous machine. Now, one thing to note currently is if we go back to our build machine, if I show you, I can right click on many of these and do pin to start. I can drag them over. I can rearrange things on that. On here, we can't do that. We've lost the ability to pin to start. We've lost the ability to customize, to drag anything onto here, to add anything to the menu. So basically, we've locked this down. Now, that's not ideal if we think we're going to be deploying applications further down the line. They won't get added here. The user won't be able to add them either. So there's a simple get around for that. What we need to do is to add a bit more text to the XML document. So we need to add this piece of text on the end of the default layout override in our XML. So this is one prepared earlier. And this is only specified groups. I'll save that as layout. Go back to start menu. Add a version. Change the XML. Drag our new one up. Save. Save and publish. So we see that's deployed out. So now we've got this little padlock showing that this group is locked, but the start menu itself isn't. So your users could right click on anything. Now they can do pin to start. Any new applications you install will appear. The user can drag this further down if they want, but they can't change any of the apps inside. They're all locked down. They can't get rid of them. They can't uninstall them. They can't rearrange them. So you can see now it's really straightforward to customize your user's layout. Couple of useful links. So a lot of this info is available on the Microsoft knowledge base. There's a short version to that URL. And our matrix on everything you can do with a Windows 10 desktop machine is available on this URL. and that's a shortened version of it there. So we can undo this by reversing that. We could take the XML, we could then remove that piece we added in. It would then put it back to a fully locked menu, so you can flick between the two. What you can't do is then restore the start menu back to how it was. You're always going to have some sort of management on that start menu. Anyway, I hope you found this video useful. Thanks for watching.